Bienvenidos! Welcome to Lingo Mag, a channel for English speakers who want to learn Spanish in a fun and interactive way. Today we are going to learn the professions, las profesiones. Las profesiones. And of course there are a ton of professions out there, so we'll focus on the most popular ones or the most traditional ones, las más populares. Las profesiones más populares. If you're learning Spanish, please subscribe to the channel. There will be new videos every Tuesday and Friday. To begin, we're going to look at one that is not a profession, but it's a very common occupation, and that is the student. In Spanish, estudiante. Estudiante. An example sentence to say she's a student. Ella es estudiante. Ella es estudiante. So one of the differences here with English is that you don't need to use any article. So you don't need to say she's a student in the Spanish version. You just say the profession or occupation. Let's see another one. Professor or teacher. In Spanish you can call both profesor. Profesor. That would be the masculine version, and in the case it's a woman, you would call it profesora. Profesora. The sentence would be ella es profesora. Another one. Doctor of medicine, and this is médico. Médico. And again, that's the masculine version. And if it was a woman, we would call it médica. Médica. In this example, él es médico. Another one. A dentist. This one is very similar in Spanish. Dentista. Dentista. And as you can see, this is the same for both men and women. So, él es dentista. Or you could say, ella es dentista. Next one. Lawyer. Abogado. Abogado. And the feminine version, abogada. Abogada. Let's see an example sentence. Él es abogado. Next one, an accountant. Contador. Contador. And the feminine version is contadora. Contadora. So in a sentence, ella es contadora. Next one, an engineer of any kind. Ingeniero. Ingeniero. And the feminine version would be ingeniera. Ingeniera. For example, in this case, I'm choosing a plural one. Ellos son ingenieros. So you can see that everything matches in gender and number. Ellos, masculine and plural. Son, plural. Ingenieros, masculine and plural. So let's repeat the sentence again. Ellos son ingenieros. They are engineers. Next one. A journalist is a periodista. Periodista. And this again is the same whether it's a man or a woman. Periodista. In this case, nosotros somos periodistas. We are journalists. So again, you can see everything matches in gender and number. Nosotros, we, somos, plural, periodistas, plural again. Next, programmer, very popular profession nowadays. Programador, programador. So it's very similar, and the feminine version is programadora, programadora. A sentence would be, tú eres programador. You are a programmer. Tú eres programador. Next one. Architect, arquitecto, arquitecto. And if it's a woman, arquitecta, arquitecta. Let's see a sentence. Ella es arquitecta. You can repeat after me. Ella es arquitecta. Another one, designer. So whether it's a fashion designer or a graphic designer. Diseñador. Diseñador. So pay attention here to the pronunciation of that letter, the ñ. And if it's a woman, diseñadora. Diseñadora. For example, él es diseñador. Again, él es diseñador. Consultant. Consultor. Consultor. And the female version, consultora. Consultora. For example, ellas son consultoras. Ellas son consultoras. So here you can see again how every word matches in gender number. Ellas, feminine and plural. The verb son, plural. Consultoras, again feminine and plural. Now, as usual, let's quickly repeat all of them. Estudiante, repeat after me. Estudiante. Profesor. Médico. Dentista. Abogado. Contador. Ingeniero. That can be a difficult one, so I'll repeat it again. Ingeniero. Periodista. Programador. Arquitecto. Diseñador. Consultor. Great. Now answer this question in a comment below the video and I'll make sure to correct them this week. What do you do? ¿A qué te dedicas? ¿A qué te dedicas? What do you do? So if you're not any of these professions, feel free to go check in a dictionary, find out what your profession means in Spanish, and use it in a comment below. If you'd like to get some free extra online practice, you can head over to my website, lingomag.com. There you will find an exercise I've prepared to help learn and further practice this topic. The particular link to this video's exercise will be listed in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed today's lesson. Please remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Hasta pronto!